Hey everyone, this is Liz Nicholls, and this is an introduction to the Desire Map. The Desire Map book presents a holistic approach to life planning that uses your core desired feelings as the guidance system for your goals so you can optimize your time on Earth. So guess what? You, yes, you are worthy of your desires. So what are you looking for in life? If you feel like you're falling short on your life goals or maybe feeling a little lost or overwhelmed, you need to relearn how to move towards your dreams with trust and well-placed devotion. So let's find a better way to set your life goals. So how do you feel? How do you want to feel when you wake up each day? Because you're not chasing the goal. You're chasing the feeling you want when you get there. Daniel Laporte's work has done incredible things for me personally. My life has taken off in ways I could not have ever imagined, and in every area. My heart is open to love again. I allowed myself to feel how I would feel achieving a goal and knowing that I deserve that feeling. So I reevaluated my goals and business life plan around how I wanted to feel once I achieved the goal. So, what if first we got clear on how we actually want to feel in our life, and then we laid out our intentions? What if your most desired feelings consciously informed how you plan your day, your year, your career, your holidays, your life? So, how do you want to feel? We have the procedure of achievement upside down. Typically, we come up with our to-do list, our bucket list, our strategic plans, all the stuff we want to have, get, accomplish, and experience outside of ourselves. All of those aspirations are being driven by an innate desire to feel a certain way, right? So how do you want to feel? When you look at your schedule for the week, when you get dressed in the morning, when you walk through the door of your office, when you pick up the phone, when you cash the check, when you fall in love, when you accept the award, or when you make the sale. So what if first we got really clear on how we actually wanted to feel in our life, and then we laid out our intentions? What if your most desired feelings consciously informed how you planned your day, your year, your career, your holidays, your life? You know what will happen with that kind of inner clarity and outer action? You'll feel the way you want to feel more often than not. Decisions will be easier to make. You'll know what to say no to and what to say hell yes to. You'll be more optimistic, more open-hearted. It'll be easier for you to return to your center in the midst of a challenge. So when was the last time somebody asked you this? How do you want to feel? In my upcoming Desire Map workshops, a guided experience for holistic life planning, I'm going to help you get clear on that question. For more information, please go to workshops.liznichols.com. And thank you so much for your time. Have a great day.